Hi, I'm Connor Foster, here at the West Pier in Cleveland, Ohio, part of the city's iconic lakefront and vital structure that's protected our shoreline for over a century. First built in 1901, the pier has far outperformed its original design life. But now, after decades of wear from wind, waves, and time, critical repairs are underway to ensure it can continue doing its job, protecting Cleveland's outer harbor, the river channel, and the shoreline itself. The project, awarded to Great Lakes Dock and Materials in June 2024 for $6.9 million, involves encasing over 1,300 feet of the existing pier in a new concrete overlay reinforced with steel sheet pile. Construction began in September 2024 and will continue through July 2025. Why is this important? The harbor supports more than $529 million in business revenue, over 2,200 jobs, and $163 million in labor income, all tied to waterborne transportation right here in Cleveland. Beyond the numbers, the pier is a key part of our community. It supports local recreation and provides critical protection for your safety. Access to the full pier and part of the Wendy Park will be temporarily closed. Fencing, signage, and waterway safety measures developed with the U.S. Coast Guard are being put in place to ensure safe navigation and public awareness. The good news: commercial and recreational boat traffic should continue without interruption. When this project wraps up this summer, Cleveland will have a stronger, safer pier, ensuring this space remains one of the city's best spots to walk, fish, or simply enjoy the water. And with help from Cleveland Metro Parks, enhancements like new fencing and conduit installation will keep this space functional and resilient for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. We'll keep you updated as work continues on the West Pier.